what do you hear? H is the sound that brings us cheer. H is for hat on a windy day, blowing and twirling as we play. Ha, 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 come and sing. H is happy, hear it ring. Hop and hum, it's so much fun learning H for everyone. Hippo hops in a helicopter high, zooming around in the bright blue sky. H, hammer taps with a happy beat, building a house on a quiet street. Hug your teddy soft and tight. H is for hug, it feels just right. Horse goes gallop, fast and free. H is for horse, come run with me. Ha, 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 come and sing. H apple, hear it ring. And hum, it's so much fun learning H for everyone.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.